And hello there Gundam fans and folks, this is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is the Gelgoog Menaace Lunamaria Hawke custom from the movie Gundam Seed Freedom. Yes, and this is HGCE, so 1/144. And looking at the box art and not minding the bends and cracks, yeah, overseas shipping happening whatsoever, we see Gelgoog Menaace here laying down some fire. Okay, and off to the side, we can see, of course, since it's the start of the Gundam Seed Freedom line, they always boast the seed action system, where of course the shoulder, the body has a proper crunch, proper articulation, and of course the neck. And moving off to the side, you can see the different gimmicks that it has. Of course, it's a flight pack, some weapons, weapon storage, and of course the eyes, or is this a thruster? No, the hip joints. Yeah, so that's on the other side. And on to the other side, yep, Gelgoog Menaace here, front and back, information about the movie and its story. And then let's see what's inside the box. So first up, we have one bag with one large sticker sheet and 3 sprues, one all pink, one all white, and one multicolored. Another bag with a multicolored sprue, one dark red, one red, and one silver effect parts. Another multicolored bag, another bag with some darker red, like clear blue and gray parts there. Another bag here, 3 sprues. And another bag with 3 more sprues, all gray, red, and all gray. And then, yep, we have the instruction manual, and yes, this is a compass mobile suit, and we see Lunamaria Hawke over here. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. First off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have some light gray, dark gray, and some royal blue, navy blue, yeah, some shade of blue here. And no parts, some parts of the mobile suit, but mostly for the backpack and the weapons. We also have a B sprue here, another multicolored sprue with some white, dark red, some black, and some gray. Now comes with the C sprue here. We have a C1, which is all gray, so some parts, of course, for the thrusters, joints, which also has a C2, and mine's some missing parts because of, yes, shipping mishaps overseas. So C2. Does this have anything equivalent or the same from C1? Yeah, I think this part only. So that's C2. We also have a D1 here. D1, which is all red. Mobile parts of the armor. We also have a D2, more red and more parts for the armor. We then go to E1, which is a darker shade of red, more parts of the mobile suit armor. And then an E2, which is all gray, and the main gun, I think. An F1 here, which is all white. And we have an F2 here, which is the beam saber effects. We also have a G, not just one, but 2 Gs actually. And then an H1, which is a pink sprue, and an H2 again, back to a effect parts. This time it's clear blue. Then we have some polycaps here, and a large sticker sheet well, large, but not plenty, not the same as Racing Freedom. But yeah, large sticker sheet. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HGCE Gelgoog Menaace Lunamaria Hawke custom from the movie Gundam Seed Freedom. Yeah, so definitely an upgrade from Lunamaria Hawke's, time when she was a Zaku Gunner Warrior, and from another grunt unit to another awesome grunt unit here. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, giving a like, viewing other videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.